What's up guys, it's your boy VTech Vic, and today, as you can tell from the title, you'll be finding out how much I make as a diesel technician, mobile technician and mobile diesel technician. So it really depends on your clientele, your experience, the tools, and the weather. Why do I say this? Because all these things vary together, and if you have bad weather, cold weather, raining, snowing, sometimes it's not good for you to be working outside. Yes, you can work outside, and the benefits of working outside like that, people really tend to tip well when you're working extreme weather. Do I recommend it for your health? Absolutely not. Clientele. People really, it depends on the clientele, because you could have a big clientele, but people sometimes cancel. They don't take you serious, or they really don't want to give you the price that you offer them. So you got to work around that. Next thing you got to work around is tools. What type of tools you have. Sometimes you don't have the right tools. Sometimes you got to buy the tool. It just depends. Hey, is that job for you? Is that job not for you? You know what I mean? You just got to be ready. That's all I can really say about the tool part. Just got to be ready, get the right tools, and just get it done. Experience. You have to willing to learn, push yourself as you're doing everything, and experience. You gotta just push yourself. You just gotta keep learning, acknowledge yourself, ask a lot of questions, and that's how I really learn, and that's how it really varies on how much money you make. Because the less experience you have, what do you expect? You're not gonna be making money unless you really know what you're doing. So let's put this all together. Give you an average estimate of how much I make a week. Sometimes doing this. So an average a week I can make on side jobs around like $600, $700, $800. Still working my regular diesel job. Reason why I don't quit my diesel job and go full time is because it really makes up for the rainy days and the people that really cancel on you. So I really try to eliminate the days that people really mess up your day. So this really takes it. I do lose maybe a little bit of money, but at the end of the day, I feel like I take a less bigger loss, because there's always money coming in no matter what. So there's been weeks that I've made more money on my side jobs than I've made with my actual job, and it comes to show that you can do this without having to work a job and just take this serious. But there's always going to be rainy days, so I try to eliminate those rainy days by keeping a regular job. And eventually I am going to quit my regular job and pursue other bigger things, but I'm just focused on gathering money and investing in the right things at the moment. So crunching in the numbers, there's days that I've made $1,000. For example, last Friday was Black Friday. For some reason, everybody wanted their car worked on, so it was a great day for me. I woke up at 8 in the morning, went to the gym, worked out. 10 o'clock, I had my first customer waiting for me. He needed an oil change and a tune-up. I got that done. Next customer also needed an oil change and tune-up. It was a neighbor. Boom, I got it done. My last customer, which I only had 3 customers lined up for Friday, and my last customer was just a starter. I got it done. I was done by like 3 o'clock, 3 or 4 o'clock. I think I was, around 3 or 4 o'clock. I got done with them 3 customers. Then I got another customer that needed a fuel pump. He called me around 4 o'clock. Hey, I need a fuel pump done. Boom. I drove down there. It was a Malibu. I got it done. He gave me a great tip. It was pretty cold outside, so he gave me a great tip. Next customer calls me around 7 or 8. Hey, I need a tire change. And my alternator is so his alternator was acting a little funky. Like he said, I tested his alternator. His alternator was charging below 13 volts, so I knew it's already acting a little funky. So we went ahead and got him an alternator from AutoZone and got everything done. Changed the tire. His alternator was charging at 14.2, so I knew his car was in good shape. He went ahead and gave me a good tip as well. And I ended up the day going out with my friends, blah blah blah. So I got to enjoy the rest of my day. Next day came, a little bit more jobs, but the next day, I didn't make $1,000. I only had 3 jobs, made something. I was cool with that, and that's how it is. So it all really varies on the components that I told you guys earlier. So that's how really it is. And if you have any questions, shoot me a DM, shoot a comment, Just let me know if you want advice, if you want to start. Just let me know. So keep a lookout. I'm gonna have a couple more videos coming up, and yeah.